Did she pick a hard? Did she pick easy?
Yeah.
Step clap.
Get it, baby. Get it, booty.
Look at that fucking. You're doing good.
You're good.
Look, we got another one. Oh, this one. I remember.
Oh yeah.
Let's see what Wow, look, you did that one perfect.
Oh jeez.
That was a good move right there.
What did he do? Don't fall off the stage now, buddy.
Are you doing the dice right there? What was that one?
There you go. Fist pump.
Fist pump, fist pump.
Jersey Shore. Jersey Shore.
Oh, we love us some Jersey Shore. He always looks at it like, these bitches are crazy. Like, he'll walk past the TV like,
What are they doing?
well, she's fucking throwing the wine bottles at fucking Mike.
I haven't watched the last two
Oh,
ones.
it's so fucking crazy.
Erin was at
I love that he's just like
Richard's house or Daniel's house, somebody's house, and it was Thursday, and they were like, "Here's the car, this Jersey Shore party car, something stupid." Like, he came home and he was like, "What the fuck?" I was like, "Everybody will."
Well, Jared even watches that shit.
Yeah, Jared watches it. He'll come over and watch it with me. I'm like, "It's Jersey Shore time."
Yeah. Aiden don't really like it either. Shake your booty.
shake your booty.
Shake your booty. Shake your booty. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Dig at the nose. Oh yeah.
Dig the
Sexy,
booty and dig the
sexy.
nose. Same
Sexy,
time.
sexy. Oh my god.